Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you tasty and healthy recipes for all occasions. Today, we have something special in store for our viewers with diabetes. We'll be sharing some easy and delicious diabetic-friendly meal ideas that are sure to satisfy your taste buds while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. So let's dive right in. Segment 1. Breakfast boosters. Starting off the day with a nutritious breakfast is essential, especially for those with diabetes. Here are a couple of quick and easy breakfast ideas that will keep you energized throughout the morning. Recipe 1. Veggie Omelette Delight. For our first recipe, we have a veggie omelette delight. Simply whisk together some egg whites. Add a handful of colorful veggies like bell peppers, spinach, and mushrooms. Cook it up in a non-stick pan, and voila! A protein-packed breakfast that's low in carbs and high in flavor. Recipe 2. Overnight chia pudding. Next up, we have a delicious and filling overnight chia pudding. Combine chia seeds, unsweetened almond milk, a touch of vanilla extract, and a sugar substitute of your choice. Let it sit in the fridge overnight and wake up to a creamy and nutritious breakfast option. Segment 2. Wholesome lunch ideas. Now, let's move on to some wholesome lunch ideas that are both satisfying and diabetes-friendly. Recipe 3. Grilled chicken salad. Our first lunch recipe is a grilled chicken salad. Marinate some chicken breast with herbs and spices, then grill it to perfection. Toss it with a variety of fresh greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices, and a light vinaigrette dressing. This salad is packed with protein and fiber, making it a perfect choice for a balanced meal. Recipe 4. Zucchini noodles with turkey bolognese. For a low-carb twist on a classic favorite, try zucchini noodles with turkey bolognese. Spiralize some zucchini into noodle-like strands, then sauté them lightly. Top it off with a flavorful turkey bolognese sauce made with lean ground turkey, tomatoes, and aromatic herbs. It's a guilt-free delight that will satisfy your pasta cravings without the excess carbs. Segment 3. Dinner delights. Now, let's move on to some mouth-watering dinner options that are both easy to prepare and diabetes-friendly. Recipe 5. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Our first dinner recipe is a delicious baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Season a fresh salmon fillet with herbs, lemon juice, and a touch of olive oil. Place it in the oven and let it bake to perfection. Meanwhile, toss a medley of colorful vegetables like broccoli, bell peppers, and carrots with some olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast them until tender. Serve the salmon alongside the roasted veggies for a nutritious and flavorful dinner. Recipe 6. Cauliflower fried rice. For a healthier twist on a takeout favorite, try our cauliflower fried rice. Simply pulse cauliflower florets in a food processor until they resemble rice grains. Sauté the cauliflower rice with a mix of colorful veggies, lean protein like shrimp or chicken, and a splash of low-sodium soy sauce. It's a satisfying and low-carb alternative that won't spike your blood sugar levels. Segment 4. Sweet treats. Of course, we can't forget about satisfying your sweet tooth. Here are a couple of diabetic-friendly dessert options that will leave you feeling indulged. Recipe 7. Berry Parfait. For a refreshing and guilt-free dessert, try our berry parfait. Layer a mix of fresh berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries with some sugar-free yogurt and a sprinkle of crushed nuts. It's a delightful treat that's packed with antioxidants and natural sweetness. Recipe 8. Dark chocolate bark. Indulge in a little dark chocolate with our homemade dark chocolate bark. Melt some dark chocolate with a high cocoa percentage, then spread it onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Top it off with chopped nuts, dried fruits, or even a sprinkle of sea salt. Let it cool and harden, then break it into pieces. It's a rich and satisfying treat that's lower in sugar compared to traditional chocolate bars. And there you have it, folks. A collection of easy and delicious diabetic-friendly meal ideas to keep your taste buds happy and your blood sugar levels in check. Remember, eating well doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. With a little creativity and some smart choices, you can enjoy a variety of tasty meals while managing your diabetes. We hope you found these recipes helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.